Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kelechi Tube. Coming to you from my staircase, Just here to preview the game between Arsenal and Chelsea, or Chelsea versus Arsenal, because it's at Stamford Bridge. I believe, let me just touch on the last game first. We played well in the second half. The first half was proper rubbish, but played well in the second half, and that came about due to a changing system to a back four, 4-2-3-1. Personally, for the Chelsea game, I'm thinking we should play back four, but anytime we play back four against Chelsea, we lose. We'll go with the three at the back, the 3-4-3 system. We've won them in the last two games, so maybe we'll stick to the 3-4-3 system. But I believe that the victory against Cologne will give them a lift and give them confidence as well. Whether the regulars played or not, it's a team sport. Hopefully confidence will be a huge amount within the team. I believe that the boys hopefully will turn up. They'll turn up because after the Liverpool one, most of them came out to tell us, "Oh, we're embarrassed. It will never happen again." So hopefully they'll stick to their words. And let's see how it goes. So let me go straight to my formation and show you one or two things. So to my tactics board now, you see they're going to both be playing a 3-4-3, and more or less of what we've been doing, how we've been playing them at Wembley, but with a bit more caution now because we're going to be at Stamford Bridge, so we need to be sitting back a bit more. Someone like, for me, I'm going to start Elneny, shouldn't even cross anyway. He should just sit here. Xhaka, again, I know he likes to ping the pass and all that, but he needs to work more with his tracking. Sometimes he doesn't really track. And my man here, Lacazette, should be making them runs so that he can be drawing the defenders and, holding up play as well. So passes can be coming from the midfield. Another outlet like we saw against Cologne is my man Sanchez here. He's got the pace, he's got the power to, attack them as well when need be. But he should not forget his defensive duties. And that will be to help Kolasinac double up on players when need be and help foil any attack. I think if we stick to it, we should get a result. It might not be a win, a draw, but we should get a good result. Thank you. So from my formation, you can see I've gone for a back three as well. I think we should. It's an away game. Sometimes it's not only about the formation, but it's about your setup. You need to soak the pressure sometimes and then hit on the counter. You need to be a bit more compact, in the midfield. We need to also add strength because I don't believe that the combination of Ramsey and Xhaka will be strong enough in the middle. So for me, that's just somebody that'll just sit deep and be running around, chasing players. If possible, get one or two to mark, and then things might turn out different because we've been embarrassed too much away from home. So I just go straight into my lineup. In goal, I'll have Peter Cech. Obviously, he's the first choice goalkeeper. Back three, I'll have Monreal there, Squadron Mustafi, and the captain, Laurent Koscielny, the assistant captain. And in the wing backs, I'll have Kolasinac, who had a beautiful game on Thursday night. And I'm sure that he's going to take care of whoever that is there, Willian or anybody there on the right. He's going to take care of them. Then on the right side of the wing back, I'll have Hector Bellerin, who played well as well yesterday. On Thursday. In the middle now, I'll have Granit Xhaka, and due to his passing abilities, and it's a surprise choice for me. I'm just looking for strength in the midfield, and Mohamed Elneny. I'm just looking for strength, someone that will sit deep, run around. No, I'm not trying to slate Ramsey here. He's a quality player, but he goes forward too much sometimes. I'm not trying to blame him for all our defeats and all our goals, but I need somebody that will sit deep and stay. The front three now, I'll go with Alexis Sanchez, Mesut Ozil, and Lacazette. Honestly, Welbeck is unlucky to miss out from this team, honestly. But if something is not working, he should be the first sub on because of his energy and his tracking back. So I've sacrificed Ramsey in my team for Nene. You know, another person that should be in the team, to be honest, is Welbeck because of his work rate. But if any wing is leaking, he should be brought on, even if he's a first half sub, you know, to double up on players and do stuff. So that's my lineup. Please let me know what you think. And let me see your lineup as well in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be at Chelsea tomorrow. See you then. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.